At Swagelok Bangalore, Chennai, Delhi, and Hyderabad, our sales and service does not stop with the supply of components. We offer a whole range of additional services certified and approved by Swagelok. We have a dedicated design and assembly unit purely focused on building your fluid systems more efficiently and cost effectively. We call this Swagelok Custom Solutions. Custom Solutions refers to our expert capability to supply simple and complex assemblies using Swagelok and other customer-specified components. We can also deliver solutions that include automation and third-party components. From concept to reality, we will guide you in every step of the way. We will help you reduce purchasing costs, design time, engineering time, and leakages. We can build sub-assemblies, panels, instrument enclosures, test stands, and much more. We leak test every assembly to meet the highest quality standard you have come to expect from Swagelok. So why wait? Let our resources be your resources through Swagelok Custom Solutions.